Hello and Global Sources show in Hong Kong, and now we're in Oukitel booth. This time Oukitel is showcasing two new rugged phones in the show, WP39 on my left hand side and WP52 on my right hand side. These two phones, they come with a same size 6.6-inch display, and I'm going to introduce WP39 first. So we have a water drop notch at the front. It comes with a 32 megapixel for the front camera, and on the right hand side we have a power button, and also it comes with a side fingerprint sensor and also volume buttons here. At the back we have a round bumper holding 3 cameras. 64 megapixel for the main sensor, it's Sony, and 8 megapixel for the night vision, and the last one is 2 megapixel for macro. On the left hand side we have hybrid slots. It allows you to put one SIM card or one TF card or dual SIM cards, and this is the programmable button on the left hand side also. And at the bottom we have a Type-C for charging. Let's check on the camera. As I mentioned earlier, the main sensor is 64 megapixel here, and the night vision is 8 megapixel. Also 2 megapixel for macro. So this phone, you can see, is a rugged phone with a huge battery, 11,000 milliampere. It allows you to charge 18 watts for the charging, and the thickness is around 15 millimeters. Let's check on the system itself. So WP39 comes with the RAM, 6 GB for the RAM, but it's extendable to up to 24. And the ROM, it is 256 gigabytes. I mentioned earlier the resolution is Full HD+. The operating system is Android 14. As usual, this phone is certified with the IP68 and IP69K for the waterproof, and 810H for the military standard. What is convenient here is that they install a tool bag in the phone, so it allows the worker to do different measurements, or if it is useful for you to use the phone outdoor. Let's move on to WP52. So WP52 is a bit thinner than the WP39. It is only like 12 millimeters with a smaller battery, 6,500 milliampere only. And you can see this phone comes with also a water drop notch at the front. The camera on the front camera is 8 megapixel. On the right hand side, as usual, we have a volume buttons and the power button, also the side fingerprint here. At the back, at the bottom, we have a Type-C for charging. And at the back we have 3 cameras. The first one is 48 megapixel for the main sensor. The next one is 2 megapixel for macro, and the last one is 0.3 megapixel for the depth. On the left hand side also we have a hybrid slots for you to use a hybrid slot for one SIM card and one TF card or dual SIM cards. Let's have a look on the camera on this phone. As I mentioned earlier, the main sensor is 48 megapixel. And we have 2 megapixel for the macro. And also the last one is 0.3 megapixel for the depth. Let's check on the system itself. So WP52 comes with a RAM 4 GB, but it is extendable up to 12 GB. The ROM is 256 GB. The resolution is a bit lower than WP39. It's a HD plus resolution in this phone. And the battery I mentioned earlier is 6,500 milliampere, also with 18 watts charging. Let's check on the specs a little bit. So WP39 and WP52, they both come with a MTK Dimensity 6100 plus processor. Everything is the same. And they also have a side fingerprint NFC. And these two phones are both available in the market, mainly in Amazon now. If you're interested, you can check on Amazon for the retail price. Thank you.